Everybody, I'll show you how to make a data set for the homework problems. I'll do one of each. The first will be an independent T and the other will be a dependent T. All right, so you get in there and you do data set, okay? And so we want to go to variable view. So on the first homework problem here, I have this here, so SPSS, so it's going to be older adults and younger adults, all right? And what are we measuring? We're going to measure life satisfaction. All right, so click on this. I'm in the variable view. All right, my name is, this is an independent T, so the first variable is going to be, we can just put age group or whatever. Because everything's whole numbers here, we can, reduce that. 1, and then when we get over here the values, we're going to do that we'll set number 1 to be older adults, and then number 2 is going to be younger adults. Okay, so say okay, I've got that in there. All right, the scale, the measure is going to be this is can be nominal is fine, so nominal. Then this is going to be our LifeSat score. LifeSat score. So also we don't have any decimals. Should be 0. This can be 0 too. All right. Now this has to be a scale. All right. So now I'm here, and over here in the data view. All right. Age. I've got 10 of each. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that, till I get to 10. All right. And then switch over to 2s. All right, now go to the Word document that I uploaded for you and go under older adults right here. These are all the ones. You can go copy and paste that. That's all the old people. And see now 1 to there. Now it starts 2. Good. I'm lined up correctly. And then go younger adults. So copy, go back over here and do paste. All right, so that's the first variable. All right, so here what you want to do is you want to go up here and go analyze, compare means and proportions. This is an independent samples t-test. All right, so our grouping variable is age, LifeSat is the test variable, and we have to define these groups, so you just toggle there and then go and make sure that 1 and 2 is still here. All right, so okay. And this should print out, here's your means and standard deviation, here's the T, 4.25. Okay, so there's that one. That's an independent. You do the same thing for the others, even when it is unequal n. You make them individual variables at the beginning with 1s and 2s to define the groups, and then there's your scores. All right, so there's that. All right, then the next one that we're going to do, let's go down to one of the before afters. All right, so here's before and after. And this one is anxiety disorder, morning before they head off to work, and then after our self-help program. All right, so I'm going to go in here, and for a dependent T, each one gets its own column or sort of variable name. So here we're going to be self-help underscore before and self-help underscore after. All right, leave it numeric, go over here. Both of these are going to be scales, scale. All right, so there's that. All right, go over here to data view, move it out a little bit. I'm not sure why that's scrolling, but it's working fine. So, all right, so now here I am here, before and after. Okay, before goes into one column there, and after goes into the next column. That, copy, paste, there we go. All right, there's that. All right, now go up here to analyze, and we want to do compare means and paired samples T. All right, so we get in here. There's nothing over here, so we want to compare those variables what we did last time. So let's do before and after. These are the pairing that we're looking at. All right, and so just go OK. And there you are. Now notice this is all in one fold, all in one document. All right, so now you're done. Let's say you've done all of them and they're all there in the order. All right, so then go over here, do a save, make sure you save it. And then under File, Export, you can choose PDF, and then you want to name this label here. So, like, I just put my name here. This is my output file for McMay SPSS homework example. Okay. All right. So now it's going to export it, and it'll ask me where to save because the Mac it does, but I don't know where it goes on yours. But it's saved it where the last place. Now this folder's set up. All right. Before you're leaving, I would save the output file as something, and it'll name it. And then the other one is save your data file just in case you need it again. All right. So the one that I did in class, I saved, and all of the variables for these 6 we put in there. So you can do all of the variables together and then give me one file at the end. All right. Reach out with questions.